If you're missing program files like titles, or you can't create still or motion titles, or 3D titles, or you're missing any other program files, I have the solution. If you still have your installation disk, you can uninstall the program, then reinstall it, and that should give you the files you want. Now, if you don't have the installation disk any longer, not to worry. First, you want Pinnacle Studio open. Then you want to go to Help, and then down to Serial Number. You want to write down the serial number and the passport number in case you need it. Then go back to Help, go to Online Support and Technical Support. This will take you to the Corel Support website. Scroll down, look for Pinnacle. Click on that, and that will bring you to another page. Click on Download Patches and Updates. Then, under Troubleshooting, click on Download. Then search for your version of Pinnacle Studio. Click on it, follow the instructions, and you'll get the option to modify, repair, or uninstall. Select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, you can then install the software. It may take several hours. I went to bed and it was done by morning, but now I have all the program files. I hope this helps. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching.